Hello students, welcome to Learn with RP Sir MTech JU. My name is Rahul. So today we are going to discuss about the word problems in percentages. So let us start with this problem. The money spent on the repairs of a house was 2% of its value if the cost of the repair is rupees 9,600. Find the cost of the house. So the question is asking about the cost of the house where the cost of repair is 2% of the total cost of the house. So let cost of house be rupees X. Now I don't know what is the cost of the house. So I'm assuming that the cost of the house is rupees X. Now since I know that the cost of repair is 2% of the cost of the house, so I can say cost of repair will be 2% of rupees X. 2% of rupees X. Now what is 2% of rupees X? That is 2 by 100 times of X, which is 2X by 100. If you want to minimize, you can write this is X by 50. This is the amount which is the cost of the repair. Now we know that this amount is equal to 9,600. Why? Because the cost of the repair has been given as 9,600. So if I can say X over 50 is equal to 9,600, and from there I'll be getting the value of X, which is 9,600 multiplied by 50. So 9,600 multiplied by 50. So this is 30, carry 3, 45, 48, and now 3 zeros. So rupees 4,80,000. This is the cost of the house. Okay. So this is the problem where we have to find the cost of the house from the cost of the repair, and this is the solution. Next, let us come to the next question. Next question. An ore contains zinc of 8%. How many kgs of the ore will be required to get 2.8 kg of zinc. So here is the next question. and ore contains zinc of 8%, how many kgs of the ore will be required to get 2.8 kgs of zinc? So again, just like the previous question, we are supposed to find how many kgs of ore will be required. So let x kgs of ore is required. Let x kgs of ore is required. Now 8% of zinc is contained in every kg of ore. So in x kgs, amount of zinc that is going to be 8% of x, this much of kgs, and this is going to be 8% means 8x by 100. If you minimize it, it is going to be 2x by 25. I have eliminated by 4. 4 times of 2, 4 times of 25. Now according to the question given, so if x kgs of ore is required to get 2.8 kgs zinc, that means in x kgs ore 2.8 kgs zinc will be present. Now we have already found that in x kg ore this amount of zinc will be present, which means this and this is nothing but the same quantity. So we can say that 2x by 25 is equal to 2.8, or we can make 2.8 as 28 by 10. 2x by 25 we can make 28 by 10. Now if I multiply 2 in the denominator this side and in the denominator this side, so 2 and 2 can be eliminated, and 2 and 28 can be eliminated, giving us 14. Then this is 5, this is 7. This is the first elimination that we got. So we are having now x by 25 is equal to 7 by 5. So what is the value of x? X is going to be 7 into 25 divided by 5. So 5 times 5. So the answer of the problem is x equal to 35 kgs. So in total 35 kgs of iron ore will be necessary in order to get 2.8 kgs of zinc. Okay. In order to get 2.8 kgs of zinc, 35 kgs of iron ore will be necessary. So this is the second problem. Next, let us go to the third problem. Third problem is a man who spends 72% of his income is able to save rupees 6,300 per month Find the monthly income and monthly expenses. So two questions are being asked here: monthly income and monthly expenses. So 72% of his income a man spends and is able to save this much. So let monthly income is rupees X. Now amount spent, that is 72% of rupees X. This is the amount spent. So if 72% is spent, that means out of the total X rupees, 72% of that is spent. So how much amount is saved in terms of percent? So amount saved. Now we know that total is 100 when we say percent. For example, 72% means what? 72 out of 100. So out of 100, 72 is spent. So out of 100, how much is saved? That is 100 minus 72. So 100 minus 72 will be 28. 28% of rupees X, that is saved. Now what is 28% of rupees X? That is 28x divided by 100. This amount is saved. And they have said that is able to save 6,300 per month. That means this amount is saved in 1 month, which is the exactly same amount as this one. So I can say they are both are equal to each other. So 28x over 100 is equal to 6,300. Okay, is equal to 6,300. Now, if I divide both sides with 7, or let's do one thing, let's directly get x from here. So what will be x? The 100 will go to the numerator, 28 will go to the denominator. So 6,300 into 100 divided by 28. So 7 times 9 is 63. Seven times 9 is 63. So it will become 900. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 25 is 100. So what is the final value of x? The final value of x is going to be 900 into 25. 25 times 9 is 225 and now 100. So it's 22,500 rupees. This is the amount that he saves. So if this is the amount, this is the amount he earns, this is the monthly income, right? This is the income. So if this is the income, what will be the expenses? So you simply subtract the savings from the income, you get the expenses. So what will be expenses? 22,500 minus 6,300. This is the expenses. So what is that? So this is 2, 6 and 1. 16,200 rupees. This is the expenses. So out of his total income of 22,500 rupees, he spends 16,200 rupees and he saves 6,300 rupees. This is the total summary of the question. Okay, so this word problems we have solved. We will make another video where we will solve some more word problems. I don't want this video to be very long. So we will make another video and solve some more interesting questions. Okay, so that's it for this video.